It's been more than a year since the land borders of the country were closed due to the outbreak of the coronavirus pandemic, and the effect on economic activities and livelihood, particularly for those along the border community, is overwhelming. Mr. Samuel Okudzato Ablakwa, ranking member on Foreign Affairs Committee of Parliament, who joined his colleague lawmaker from Jomoro, Dorcas Tofe, during a launch of a loan scheme to assist traders in her constituency, had this to say on the continuous closure of the country's land borders.
That the continuous closure of the land borders is really affecting our people, especially those in border communities. We have gone to interact with them. We are in Jomoro now. We've been talking to some of them, and you can tell that they are really under excruciating hardship. Already, because of the impact of COVID, you do know about the current economic situation. So the closure of the border has further exacerbated the plight of Ghanaians living in border communities, particularly traders. Those who are able to afford air tickets to travel by air are the more well-to-do. It is more expensive to travel by air, do business by air, than to travel by road and to do business, to trade by road. So this policy of reopening only the airways and leaving the land borders is discriminatory, particularly on the poor, on those who are the vulnerable. And you see, in policy formulation, you must always think about the vulnerable groups first. I want to renew the call on government that this policy of keeping the land borders closed is discriminatory. It further impoverishes the poor and the vulnerable. Those who can travel by air are well-to-do most of the time. They are in a better economic place than those who travel by land and who do business by land. And to have this discrimination, is it because probably they are not that, those who normally travel by road and who are the business people who work in the border communities? Is it because they don't have, a louder voice, they don't have rich pockets and are not probably, in high places, as compared to, those in the top echelons who travel by air? So that has to be fixed. And as ranking member on the Committee of Foreign Affairs, I am also particularly worried about what this does to our ECOWAS integration protocols. As ECOWAS citizens, we are enjoined to work towards the attainment of the vision of our forefathers. And it's interesting, we are in Nzima land. Osajifo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah is the one who talked about bringing down the borders. These are artificial borders created at the Berlin Conference of 1841 to 1842, when Otto von Bismarck and the imperialists sat and divided Africa amongst themselves.
Meanwhile, GhanaMPs.com news team also took a trip to Alubu border and some other communities where Ghana shares border with La Côte d'Ivoire, and interacted with officials of security agency and traders.
Alubu ye ho chiri pa di onen kwala ye adwuma kro wa yi omwadi sesi ahwe mi store nyoma gumu nyina ye nto first na nke bebia anya kra no ubakọ na okra uses kakra na odi akofie woni obi ye adwuma utumi tua nika sesi nyoma sum ha nyina ye ntimi nto ye nyoma no ye ba no anase tetete nti kwala ne omo ye adwuma ni nyina ya saka omo because mi ntimi tua nika
na naka yan wo boda esu ha na bohwe yan na fefide na wo so wo de baba no wo de ba say ya hwenu mo wo de ba say ya sumo ye ntiri bu kura na won fambra na won mohwe ya na French fu no wodu ha won hwe wo mu na won fambra na yesraw na yesraw ye kita nkotodwom ya na yesagodi fu ne yesraw hwe ya nkwan mu nipa ba kokura na mu French ni ba kokura nim French ni ba kokura nim ya ba yesisi ya na ya san yakọ ntina na yesraw
afidie no de asi airport ho na Omode unye se omode check omo no. Ye dwadifo ye sra no. Onfa bi mrele boboda. Na ye check nkofo no meto ya de ma yen. Fi se nu ane ye de boy ho ye de ye bibia. Se se hu de ekọ. Ye sra mu aye.
Enam se boda no anya wo stronghold no eninti enam wo nka abatiye no ba ye pese wo mti ase se ebetulum lebi no yesu ye bekyere se yesu ye nipa a yesu ye tigana ha na obi ntimi meye campaign no o ma ase ha ye ni MP bia obetima ba ase se obeye campaign esane se wo nwini se yesu ye nipa yesu ye befe ye ho adwene ne abokojan ne de Abajubli House.
The Member of Parliament for Jomoro, Dorcas Afo Tofi, has been urging the government to consider reopening the country's land borders to alleviate the economic stress being suffered by her constituents, and had earlier on made a statement on the floor of the House to this effect.